Hey curious people, so my surprise box has arrived. I haven't opened it yet, I've just taken my address off. Can't wait to see what's inside. Let's have a look. Typically it's raining so I am only gonna have this on while we do this. Okay. Some sort of fan here. Some sort of, I guess this is something to do with a PC. Nice bit of copper in there though. Nice. Although it's very red. I wonder if that's, oh hang on. What does that say? DC fan. Notebook cooler. Oh okay, notebook cooler. Not seen one of those before. Wow, look at all this. So to start, what's this? LED night light. Okay, night light. Oh wow, awesome. Look at the old school BT logo there. Ha! Awesome. Like that. Oh look, they're exactly the same. Okay. They're very heavy. F70, BT F70. Can't wait to see what's inside. They're really nice and heavy. Okay. Oh, I see. That was off this night light. Right. This looks like an alarm clock. It's a wake and shake. Wow. G-Mark Telecom Wake and Shake GTI. Warning! Disconnect the telephone plug and the adapter from telephone before removing the battery cover. Telephone? Huh? So you connect a telephone to it. Oh, I've never seen or heard of that before. Okay, that's random. Right. Easy photo reader. Oh, is that a little photo printer? I'm not sure, to be honest. Don't know. Might have to Google that one. Oh, it's got a scar. I wonder if it's a way of, like a little scannery type. Yes, actually, it looks like it might be a little scanner. Huh. Okay. That's a charger. Hitachi battery pack. Okie doke. That might go with one of these products. Ah, Denver band receiver. Like a radio. Oh look. Even this just looks so old to me now. But it's not really, but it just, compared to, I don't know, it just looks it. Oh, cool. Quite like that. Okay, another one of those chargers, a Panasonic phone. I enjoyed taking apart that BT phone the other day. Speaking of which, it's a different model though. What's this? Brawn. Oh, right. Is that like a shaver charger? Oh, oh, crikey. That made me... What? I'm pretty sure Brawn is some sort of hair clippery cartridge, full empty. Is that some sort of cleaning thing? Okay. Did I put that back or is that another one? I think that's the same one. And another one. All the batteries have been removed, probably for the postage. Oh no, this one's got one. Oh yeah, no. So all the rechargeable batteries have been removed. That's fine, I don't want them anyway. Oh, it's a different one. I love this. I think a couple of these might have to be cleaned and kept for my kids to play with. Oh look, you get a little sneak peek in this one because the aerial has gone. Oh, I wonder if that's the aerial. I think it might have been once. Gigaset. Panasonic. Oh, that's got a roller ball. That's cool. Oh, blimey, we have some power here. It's a radio. Is that saying? Oh, it's just no way. It's a solar one. Huh. No way. It was. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, wow. What have we got? Is this Radio 2? Better be Radio 2. Sounds like it might be. I think it looks like it is as well. That's brilliant. I'm really impressed that that works. Considering this is a faulty bundle. Maybe you can't change it away from Radio 2. Radio 2. Oh look, this looks like all the phone. Is that actually a colour ink cartridge in there? Or open it from this way because of the... She says. Yes, it is. Blimey. Okay. Okey-doke, what have we got here? Another radio. Oh, look at this. Shortwave bands. 12-band world receiver. Really? Band selector. I don't know. Oh look, it's a Tesco product. Huh. Okay. Oh look, that's got power as well. Brilliant. Look at this. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just see, shall we? Oh, that's the tuning bar. Seeing if it can pick anything up. There's no light on the tuned. Oh, I think my husband might have liked to have a look at that one. Can't actually... Oh, yes, I can. It's a pretty good one. What have we got here? That's a speaker of some description. Acoustic Solutions premium Bluetooth speaker. Okay. That is very heavy. Oh, here we are. Where's the charge? Here. Micro USB. Well, I might have a go at plugging that in and seeing what happens. Okay. Oh no. A shaver. I'm not sure I want to even go there. Professional hair clipper. Do I want to go near other people's cut human hair? No. Certainly nothing that's been cut with this one. Just leave that one in the box, I think. More phones. It's a Binatone. Another BT. That's not the same. Okay. Oh, this is some sort of dock. Oh, okay. Raise up the speakers. Not sure on the make of that one. It's the old iPod shape dock, but you can typically on docks you can actually change this. Yeah, you can change this bit for maybe not on this one actually. Sometimes you can change this for a different like a different adapter to whatever your device is. It's quite a nifty little thing. Okay, what's this? Portable DVD player. Hitachi again. Look, brilliant. Got the screen. No DVDs. Brilliant. That'd be a good one to take to pieces. What's this? Oh, another DVD. Portable DVD. Alright. Dusty. Oh look, that one's taped. I guess that broke. Maybe. Or maybe they just taped it for transport or something. Not the people I bought it off, obviously, because it's a broken bundle. Class 1 laser product. Tevian. Or Tevian, maybe. Okay. Wharfdale. What's this? Screen. Oh, it's another one, look. Dolby. Oh, boing. There we are. That's that was a very modern version, putting the DVD in the back of the device. Cool. That might make for an interesting scrap out. Looks like another, is it? Oh no. Bush speaker. I've done a Bush speaker before. There's not much in them. Oh, this is a docking one. And that's actually quite a modern. It's like the iPhone 5 upwards. So that's not actually too old. That's cool. Okay. A router, Dre Tech. Figure 2600X. That's cool. That's a pretty big router. That'd be fun. You see a switch, you have to switch it. Oh look, there's a few of these. Looks the same as well. Yeah. Sort of wonder where they come from. Maybe a business, because that's not a sort of make I've heard of. And yet there's 3 of them, so maybe they did come from a business. Oh, and we've got a little keyboard. Wireless connect. Oh, interesting. How does that power? Oh, here. So it must have a very flat battery in there. And charge it with another micro USB. Okay, so no kind of retro exciting things like the last bundle, but loads of interesting things to take to pieces in here. Yeah, there's certainly loads of stuff to keep me going. I'll figure out how to turn that off to save the battery. Can't see an on-off though. Maybe I'll leave it out here in the sun charging. Oh, hang on, off. Oh, so it is off, but it's just, maybe that's just telling me it's charging. It's either telling me it's charging or it needs charge, but either way I'll leave it under the umbrella in the sun. The rain has stopped, I think, actually, which is nice. So let's see, we've got quite a few speakery type items, a couple of different radios. Oops, sorry, smacked the camera. This is a unusual thing. That's probably the only thing I won't bother doing anything with, the ink cartridge. But I'll certainly scrap these out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, crikey, 11, 12, 13, and dropped one, 14 phones. This strange auto cleany or chargy something or other for Braun. Not really sure. Some night lighty thing. That does look like it possibly, maybe it goes that way. Oh, so my gut instinct was that it was that way up for some reason, but it does go in there and it goes that way. Hello, my darling. Oh, you can't get through a video without doing a video bomb. No. Mr. Inquisitive over here. And then there was that weird thing that goes into the telephone. Wake and shake. I look forward to that one. That's going to be a good one. A couple of these chargers. They are actually different. I thought they were the same. So that's Camlink. Don't know. They'll have some sort of powery. And this, whatever this. I wonder, did that? Maybe that does go with one of those portable DVD players. There was a Hitachi something there, but I just didn't really pay attention. So that could go with that. And then was it a notebook fan? Can't remember. Yeah, notebook fan. So there we go. That was my bundle. Great. I can't wait to get into it. If the sun keeps up, who knows? I may even come out this afternoon and just take something to pieces. So there we have it. I will keep getting these if I see them. They don't come, the surprise ones like this don't tend to come about very often for a low amount as what I want to pay. So You know, if I manage to get another cheap one at some point, I definitely will. But this will probably keep me going for a while anyway. And I will see you in the next one, where hopefully I'll be taking some of these bad boy pieces apart. All right, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye.